Next up, the Shadow over Ban Pa. For this we need to scout the southern entry point and the northern entry point, and that's pretty much it. These bots are very angry compared to the first series of bots that we had in our hometown. These are super angry. If we zoom all the way out, you'll find Ban Pa on the extreme east of the map. Zooming in here, this is where we need to head and land at. There may be different landing locations based on what faction you're in, but essentially there's a northern entrance and a southern entrance, and we need to scout out both of them. So we'll go ahead and call transport to get here, although I think I need to get a little bit closer to transport as I'm very far away. And of course, buckle up, as this is probably your first long trip. And over here, we're about to fly over Ban Pa, so you'll see the southern entrance is right here. That's what we need to get to, and the northern entrance is all the way at the top. We'll get to that just now. Of course, this is a PvP area. There'll be other players here probably PvPing, so keep that in mind. You'll need to be very safe when you're here. So landing here, any players, if there are any in the area, will more than be alerted of our presence, and we'll need to push towards the northern entrance over here. Scout the main entry, southern and northern. If we go ahead and find the road here, we'll go ahead and head towards the main road that comes all the way through this, and you should see that by this main road, there's this little overhang here. This is simply what we need to get to, and by doing so, you'll get the northern side investigated as such. Oh, and there are, of course, other players here, and NPCs too. These ones have already been looted. There's another player. And of course, these bots have pretty cool guns. You can take them with if you want. What we'll do now is either skirt around the outside in any way that you please, and we'll head towards the southern entrance as well. Heading all the way south here, we'll get back to the road, which is just next to us, as that's where the southern entrance is. So just up here, when you get to this entrance, the next half of the mission will be ticked off, and we'll be done with it. So there we go. Task completed. Now all that's left to do is to head all the way back to base to hand this mission in. Sweet. When you make it back to base, head back to vendors, and we'll be able to hand in Shadow over Ban Pa. We'll complete it, and there we go. So, thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this video useful. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.